Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to post multiple picture on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the plus icon for the post and select multiple. Hello everyone, select on by on. Tap on next. Next. And finally tap on to share. Then successfully post multiple picture on Instagram. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.